new way to enjoy entertainment. Entertainment has many genres, forms, if you will. There's action, drama, comedy, romance, and then there are premieres and stardom. But the way to consume entertainment has changed over the years. I remember when I got into the business of entertainment 20 years ago, there was one Doordarshan and 2 satellite channels. And now, 20 years on, there are close to 1,400 channels. And yet, somehow, when you sit down to watch television, you can surf channels for hours and yet not find anything interesting to watch on television. That's because we want entertainment now, we want it fresh, we want it on the go, and most importantly, we want it tailor-made to our preferences.
से पिट गए तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, क्योंकि घर वाले भी नहीं पूछते हैं। ऐसा सच में होता है क्या?
आई थिंक दोनों तरफ ऐसा होता है इंडिया में भी और पाकिस्तान में भी। स्पेशली अगर आपके बच्चे हों तो फिर सोने में सुहागा हो जाता है, क्योंकि बच्चे इतने आपको टीज करते हैं कि उसका कोई हद नहीं है। क्योंकि शायद लकीली मैंने अब छोड़ दिया है, वरना मेरे बच्चे थोड़े बड़े हो गए, समझदार हो गए हैं, तो अभी भी टीवी में मैच देखते हो ये कहता है कि पापा अगर आप खेल रहे होते और आप आउट हो जाते तो हमारा क्या हाल होता, हमारे दोस्त तो हमें मार के जाते तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि वो खेल भी नहीं रहे हैं और स्कूल जाते वो डरेंगे कि अगर पापा जल्दी आउट हो गए तो उन्हें सुनना पड़ेगा। तो इमेजिन कि मैं अगर खेल रहा हूँ आउट होके आऊं तो वो मुझे कितना सुनाएंगे।
और मेरे को एक बात बता तू कि विराट कोहली बोलता है मोहम्मद आमिर मेरा दोस्त है, दोनों अच्छा रिस्पेक्ट करते। तेरे टाइम तो तेरी कोई शोएब अख्तर की रिस्पेक्ट थी नहीं।
हम लोग बोल नहीं सकते थे पब्लिकली तो इसलिए हमने कभी बोला नहीं, लेकिन बाद में शोएब अख्तर बहुत अच्छा दोस्त बन गया, क्योंकि उसे इंडिया में बिजनेस चाहिए तो हमारी तारीफ तो करनी ही पड़ेगी, तभी उसे यहाँ बिजनेस मिल सकता है, तभी यहाँ उसे कमेंट्स के लिए बुलाया जा सकता है। कि आप जितने भी शोएब अख्तर के इंटरव्यू देखेंगे सब में ये देखें कि वो इंडिया के तारीफों के ऐसे पुलिंदे बांधता है कि कभी कभी उसने नहीं कहा होगा ये सब जो आज वो टीवी पर बैठकर कहता है। तो ये पैसा सब कुछ करा सकता है।
और इसका एक और एग्जांपल अभी एमसीएल में जीत के आया। राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज, सहवाग टीम वन दी है। राणा नावेदुल हसन ने कहा कि इंजमामुल हक वाज माय बेस्ट कैप्टन बट नाउ क्लियरली इट्स वीरेंद्र सहवाग। ये भी उसी का स्ट्रेटेजी।
जी बिल्कुल, क्योंकि वो भी ढूंढ रहा है कि शायद कोई न्यूज चैनल मिल जाए वीरेंद्र सहवाग के थ्रू, तो वो भी कहीं बैठ के कमेंट दे रहा हो, या स्टार स्पोर्ट्स वाले सुन रहे हो तो उसको भी बुला ले कि सहवाग के साथ कंपनी देने के लिए एक और पाकिस्तानी कमेंटेटर मिल सकता है। क्योंकि आजकल पाकिस्तानी लोग यही चीजें ढूंढ रहे हैं, एक्स क्रिकेटर, चाहे वो यूसुफ योहाना, मोहम्मद यूसुफ, सकलीन मुश्ताक या राणा या जो भी भारत टीवी चैनल कर रहे हैं, वो सब इंडिया आना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें मालूम है इंडिया में बड़ी मार्केट है और ऑब्वियसली अगर यहाँ 1 लाख मिलेंगे तो पाकिस्तानी 2 लाख होंगे।
और एक सवाल है कि हमेशा राहुल द्रविड़ मुझे बोलता था कि 30 मिनट मेडिटेशन मैं करता हूं, वीरेंद्र सहवाग मेडिटेशन के कोर्स के लिए आता ही नहीं है। ये क्या फंडा है?
आई थिंक मुझे मेडिटेशन की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि मेरा फंडा ये है कि आपको सिर्फ बॉल खेलने के लिए 30 सेकंड या 20 सेकंड लगते हैं। अगर उस टाइम तक अगर आप मेडिटेट कर सकते हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। क्योंकि जब मैंने मेडिटेशन करने की कोशिश की तो 30 सेकंड, 40 सेकंड, 50 सेकंड मैक्सिमम, कभी तक 1 मिनट का मैं कर नहीं पाया मेडिटेशन। तो मैंने इसलिए ट्राई नहीं किया कभी मेडिटेशन। तो मैं सोचता था जैसा मैं कर रहा हूँ वही ठीक है, गाने गाता रहता हूँ, सीटियां बजाता रहता हूँ, उसमें रन बन रहे हैं द्रविड़ से ज्यादा, तो क्या जरूरत है मेडिटेशन करने की।
अच्छा, गाने के बारे में तूने कहा है, उसमें तेरे को लास्ट में सवाल वो पूछूंगा। बट जैक, व्हाई यू कॉल्ड द ज्ञान बाबा ऑफ द इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम? यू हैव गिवन एनी ज्ञान टू आशीष नेहरा राइट नाउ, द वे ही इज बॉलिंग?
Well, right now I should long. He's doing a brilliant job. You know, it's not easy to come back at this stage in the career, and he's so wonderfully doing well. So which is amazing. I think, you know, he's motivated me now, you know, to training and stuff like that. I think I've also got a little hope now of training for IPL and stuff like that. Yeah, but there's no particular reason for me being called Gyan Baba. I think it's just somehow started like that. Maybe I can't stop myself, but going up to bowlers and always giving them advice and stuff like that. So that's how it came into existence. I feel, and yeah, it's.
Did you ever try and give advice to Sehwag?
He's the one who gave advice to Saurav Ganguly and ask Sehwag to open the innings. And because of him, I think credit goes to him that, you know, I scored 8,000 test runs.
क्या बात है, क्या
nice of
one-day runs.
Nice of him to give me the credit, but I mean,
No, I worked hard, but still I have to give credit to him. Yes, I scored those runs, but you know, if we didn't give a suggestion to Saurav Ganguly that, you know, ask Sehwag to open, he never asked me. So
The
that's
interesting part is somebody gave a suggestion to Saurav Ganguly and he listened.
why. Yeah, absolutely.
see, it's
You know,
it's all about timing.
But
So
end
the
of the
timing
day,
was
end of the
perfect
day,
that time.
he was the Gyan Baba, na?
Correct.
So
That
he was
also
giving
true.
Gyan to Ganguly also.
Now you got your answer now. Why I'm called Gyan Baba? Because of this.
If Ganguly accepts it, then you are seriously there. Another question to you, Zach. You are the only cricketer who got retired before marriage. Yeah, I've done statistics. It's proved. Is there a Gyans in that also?
You're the only one who could give attention to these kind of things.
My statistics is different. Comes from View Analytics.
Well, I would say, fast bowling in subcontinent is very, very tough. So I knew that, I can only focus on one thing at a time. Either
Kya
it's
baat hai.
bowling or getting married and having kids and running after them. So I thought I better run up to the wicket and bowl.
But getting married is not tough. Getting married is not tough in
The
India.
thing which comes with
In
that,
subcontinent,
after
it's
that is
easy.
tough. You have the
There's
experience.
so many
of-
girls were following you, and but you didn't pick one.
I was too focused on the game.
And is that the reason? What is interesting about these two gentlemen is while they were playing cricket, they became businessmen, and they're one of the few businessmen in the cricketing circles who actually invest their own money.
Yeah, we did. We did.
They
I
don't
did.
believe in sweat equity, they believe in real equity, and that's the reason Viru runs a very successful international school. A round of applause for Sehwag International School. Zahir Khan runs to a chain of restaurants as well as a fitness. What is the funda? Restaurants and fitness together?
So you can eat and bun.
Actually, a lot of business people are sitting here. So it's a great strategy. So you first, give them food, make sure it's nice and rich food they eat. They become nice and plump, and then you tell them, no, now you have to work out. So get in the gym.
What kind of integration is this? Forward, vertical, anybody? Last question to you, Zach. Everybody tells me in and around, I've spoken to a lot of Australian cricketers also, that Zahir Khan don't consider him as a meek guy. He will do it his style, but he'll still sledge. And this is something Matthew Hayden told me once. Is there a reason behind why the Aussies say that he still has to say what he has to, but he doesn't stay in a very camera-friendly way?
Well, sledging doesn't always mean that you have to go and use bad words and stuff like that. When I was playing on the field, I always used to find ways of kind of like how Viru was talking about it, just about 30 seconds, when you focus on the delivery. And if you can just kind of disrupt their concentration around that time, you give yourself better chance. So I used to find ways of just kind of, saying things which might just help in disrupting their concentration, and I end up picking up wickets.
Fabulous. Is there an example you can give?
Credit goes to me.
But coming back to you, Viru, singing a song and then batting was your way of concentrating and meditating. So I'll give you a test right now. I will create 3 situations for you, and you have to select a song which you sang during your playing days and sing it for us.
I think for this, I think these people should go to this our show, What the Duck, and they have to watch it. So we don't miss out this opportunity to market our show.
Very good.
So people can go and watch that. What kind of singer I was, or what kind of songs I was singing on the What the Duck.
Done. So I shall not ask you that question here. Round of applause for Zahir Khan and Virendra Sehwag. Thank you very much, gentlemen. I must tell you that whenever I need a fillip in terms of my career, these guys always supported me. And this time they've not even asked for equity. Thank you very much once again, Virendra Sehwag, Zahir Khan. Round of applause. And back to you.
I have a couple of questions before we wrap up proceedings. One for Viru here. Viru, बहुत सारे hosts को आपने experience किया है in your cricketing days, even now. सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि विक्रम साठे किस किस्म का host है और किस किस्म का anchor है, and what is the difference between him and me? Cricket anchor?
मेरे
Cricket
साथ
anchor.
competition?
नहीं ऐसे ही पूछ रही हूँ.
The
जानना
only-
चाहती
the
हूँ.
only
ये
dif-
अब अलग किस्म का
The
सवाल.
only difference I look at, he's without hair and you have lots of hair. And I have a less hair.
Okay.
तो हमारी evolution ऐसे
So,
होती है.
but everybody wants to be a part of any show who's hosted by a beautiful girl, a beautiful lady like you. So thank you. I know we did so many shows with Sade, but we never look at his face. We're always looking at the public. But whenever I did, I was looking at you.
Thank you, Viru,
क्या
for those
बात
very
है.
kind words.
This was just to spite me, no?
No. This was just to find out what kind of host you are. I really want to see what the duck. Okay, Zach. Now you tell me, what was the hardest question that Vikram asked you in the show, in that 12-minute episode? Because he kind
Actually,
of,
I don't even remember. I'll have to watch the show again, What the Duck. I'm waiting for it to come out so that I can go and have a look at it. See
Did you
how I
ask
was
some like
reacting.
non-cricket questions to him?
He's not even shown me the show as yet.
So legally he has to show us, and then we have to give him in writing.
Everything's on hold at the moment. Oh dear.
No, we are joking.
I'm sorry I asked that
We
question.
are joking. No, we
तुम्हें
give it
यही करना
always
था।
by side,
Sorry,
by
sorry.
side.
But Vikram, I want to ask you, what did you do to Zach that he smiles so much? Because I've not seen him smile this much in his entire cricketing career.
What
As
did
I've
I-
seen him smile today on stage.
What did I do to Zach?
I don't
I
know.
didn't do anything.
No, I did to myself. I retired from the game. I said, now I
That's why
can
he
smile.
smiles. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the three gentlemen on stage. And now for a photo opportunity, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. B.G. Srinivas.